Where's your fish?
In the volcano still. Oh, look, I see him peeking out the hole.
Got some new feathered friends. Not feathered. Fin friends.
Take the house out quick.
No. You have to rinse it off.
I know. I'm gonna take the tag out.
Now what's this?
Oh, down here, go rinse this one.
With hot water?
Mm-hmm. I hope these guys survive.
What?
I said I hope.